In this video, we will show you how to get started working with walls in ARCHLine.XP. When I draw a wall, I can specify its length by typing the value or by clicking on the drawing. After completing the first wall, I can go immediately into a second wall and so on. The walls are automatically connected. When editing a wall, I can use the grips to adjust the length of another wall. When I select the walls, I have the properties, and if I want to unify the materials of the two sides, I can activate it or use different materials. Let's use a different wall style to draw the interior walls. There is the offset command, which specifies the distance between two walls. I select the two walls and I can type the new distance like 3800 mm and so on. About wall profiling. This is just a simple basic wall, but sometimes you need to change the shape, for example to separate two apartments' balcony. I select the wall and edit the profile. The profile is based on the drawing, where you can use the floor plan tools to create the new shape in one or more steps. The layered structure of the walls, although it seems very simple, is vital in coordinating the connections and any subsequent modifications. The structure of the wall can consist of several layers of different materials and thicknesses. Here we have just a basic floor, and let's draw a slab around the outside walls. Let's change the wall structure to a more complex one. The wall patterns determine the floor plan appearance. The wall patterns change when you are switching between coarse, medium, and fine detail levels. Drawing the sections allows me to coordinate the connection between the building structures. The section view cuts through the model. I can draw it on a floor plan. Many projects, such as renovations, take place in stages, each representing a period in the life of the project. Design phases can be separated from each other, and individual stages of the design process can be presented using phase filters. ARCHLine.XP tracks the construction of demolition phase of building elements in full documentation, including 3D views, sections, elevations, and consignation. If you demolish an element, it is marked as demolished in all views. Comparing differences between phases. The purpose of this command is to make the distinction between existing and new work clearer. Based on the parameters that can be set in the comparison window, displays the program the corresponding buildings, levels, phases, and display modes. The resulting drawing is treated as a group that displays in a new view. The next thing I want to show you is how to make post-insulation of existing walls. Insulation of external walls reduces heat loss and improves the appearance of the building. If you only need to add one layer, copy an existing wall layer. Switch to the new construction state and change the thickness and pattern of the new layer. With the help of the phases, the existing and new wall structure of the building can be managed at the same time. For more information and videos, visit our website ARCHLine.XP.com. Download ARCHLine.XP now!